Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to discuss about VLAN. This is the part 2 of VLAN, and last video we had discussed about VLAN where we created VLAN and the data would reaching only the same network. If we want to send the data from one VLAN to another VLAN, it was not reaching. Okay, so here in this video we will use 9041 router which will help us to send the data from one VLAN to another VLAN. Okay, now I am going to take the switch and the end devices PC0 and PC1. Let's take them for VLAN 10. PC2 and PC3. Let's take them for VLAN 20, and PC4 and PC5. Take them for VLAN 30. Okay, now we have to establish connection between them. So let's use automatically choose connection type. Okay. Okay, now VLAN 20. Okay, they have been connected. Now connect switch with router. Okay, it also has been connected. After connecting them, just look at them. If you hover on the cable, you will find out that PC0 is connected to FA01, then 02, and 03, 04, and 05 and 06, and this is 07. So click on the switch, go to config and go to fast Ethernet 07, which is connected with our router, and instead of access put a trunk. So when you will click on this drop down, you will find two options, access and trunk. So you have to select trunk over here. So we had selected trunk. Okay, now so let's assign some color to them, 3 different colors, so that we could recognize, okay, these computers, these nodes belong to different VLAN. Okay, so let's choose fill color, select color. Okay, one color is this, one color is this, and let's say take this color. Okay, one is this. So we are having 3 different VLAN. Now what we need to do, we have to go to the switch in VLAN database. So let's put 10, VLAN number 10. It is going to be VLAN 10. Okay, you can put another name if you want to put, or maybe you can put sales, HR, whatever you want to put, but I'm for sake of understanding, I'm just putting here VLAN 10. Okay, I have added it. Now VLAN 20. Okay, now VLAN 30. Perfect. So we had taken VLANs. Now when you hover on the cable, fast Ethernet 01, 02 is connected with this PC0 and PC1. So fast Ethernet 01 and 02. Here I need to select VLAN 10, because I was saying to you that I am going to take these 2 PCs for VLAN 10 only. So I had chosen VLAN 10 for these 2 PCs. For PC2 and PC3, which is this one, PC2 and PC3, PC2 is connected with fast Ethernet 03. So I am going to take VLAN 20, and PC4 fast Ethernet 04. Here I am also going to take to VLAN 20. So PC2 and PC3 now comes under VLAN 20. Okay, now 05 fast Ethernet 05 port. Here I am going to assign VLAN 30, and for same fast Ethernet 06, here also I am going to assign VLAN 30. Okay, so I have been assigned them. So you can look at them. I have been assigned, like this blue network you are looking for, it comes under VLAN 30. Green comes under VLAN 20 and it comes under VLAN 10. Okay, so now what I need to do? After doing this, I have to go to the router. In router, in CLI, here I will write no. Okay, so first I need to enable it. After enabling it, I need to put configure terminal. Okay, so I now am under config. So what I need to do, first choose the interface. So what interface I am going to choose, which is gigabit Ethernet 0/0 and dot 10. So you can see we have connected this switch with interface gigabit Ethernet 00. I'm taking the sub interface of 00.10, which is dot 10. Okay, so I need to take this interface. Okay, I have taken. You can see it is showing config sub interface. Okay, so what I need to do now, I need to encapsulate it. So encapsulation dot 1q10. So this will work for VLAN 10, and IP address I need to give, which is going to be the gateway address. By the way, it is going to be 192.168.10.1 and subnet mask 255.255.0. Okay, so this is going to be our IP address. Now exit from this sub interface. Now choose different interface, which is going to be 20, and same for this, encapsulate. Instead of 10 we will put 20 over here. Then IP address we will put over here is going to be 20. Okay, so this is the different gateway address which will represent for green network. Okay, so we had set the IP address. Now come to exit over here. Then again we need to go to interface, and it is going to be 30. Okay, now encapsulation, again encapsulation. Okay, so here it is going to be 30, and IP address is going to be, instead of 20, now I need to put 30 over here. Okay, so if I put 30, okay, we have all set over here. Now what I need to do, I need to come out of this, and I need to put interface dot 0, and here I need to put no shutdown. So you can see we have turned on this port. Now close this window. Now what we need to do, IP address for this network is, well, network which is virtual local area network is going to be 192.168.168.10.0, and for this it is going to be 192.168.20.0, and this is going to be 192.168.30.0. Okay, so let's assign the IP address for PC0. What we will put here desktop IP configuration. Here we will put 192.168.10.2. It is going to be 10.2, and here we will put the gateway address 192.168.10.1. so this is the IP address. And for the PC1, what we'll put here, it is going to be 110.3. okay, and the gateway address is going to be it is going to be 1. Okay, so we had put the gateway address over here. Now come to PC2 and desktop. We have to put the IP address for this. Instead of 10, it is going to be 20 and 20.2 subnet mask, and we need to select it and put the gateway address over here. Okay, we had put the gateway address. Now come to PC3 and repeat the same process, and here it is going to be 3, and put subnet mask, and here it is going to be 1. Okay, now we had left with the last VLAN. Now come to PC4 desktop IP configuration, and instead of 20 it is going to be 30.30.2, and here subnet mask, and here also it is going 30.1, and we have left with our last PC, which is desktop IP configuration. it is doing the 30.3, and the sub gateway address is going to be 30.1. Okay, it is 30.1. Okay, we have all set it. Now come to simulation. In first time maybe it is going to fail, and if you send in second time, first we try for the VLAN, inside VLAN only. Okay, if we send the packet, it will reach to the pack, it will reach. Okay, so it is success, it is going to be successful. Okay, it is successful. Okay, so inside VLAN it is working. If we want to send a different VLAN, so first time it maybe it is going to be reject. Let's see. No, it is not. Okay, it is reaching. Okay, so let's send it again. Okay, let me delete these packets, and if okay, let me bring it to real time, and in real time if I send it, are they reaching? Okay, they are reaching. Okay, they are going 10.0 to 20.0, and if I send in 30.0, are they reaching? It is failed. Let's send it second time, then second time it is reaching. Okay, yeah, they are reaching. If you want to run in simulation, you can run them, and you will see that the packet, if you want to send from one VLAN to another VLAN, it will these will okay, I'd send for PC0 to PC0. If you send them from one VLAN to another VLAN, firstly it will go to the router, then it will choose different interface, which is sub interface, which we had assigned over there, and then it will reach. Okay, so let's look at them. We were sending for a different PC. It was PC4. Okay, now it has recognized. Okay, okay, it is failing by chance. Okay, if I send it again, is it reaching? Okay, it will go to router 0. Switch 0. It has reached to PC4. I was. Router 0, and it will reach to PC0 now. Okay, now you can see the successful status. So what is happening, why they are not reaching previously? So the thing is, if you send them from, suppose if you're sending PC0 to PC4, so they are going in different VLAN. Okay, so there may be chance in first time they do not know the path. Okay, so in first time they are going to fail. If you send them second time, it will reach perfectly, it will reach perfectly. Okay, if I send your PC0 to PC3, it is failed, and if I send PC0 to PC3 again, now it is successful. Okay, see, look at it. In first time it is going to fail because it was not aware which PC3 on which IP address in which VLAN it was. So in first time it is going to fail. Let's send it here to here. It is successfully. Now you can see they are reaching perfectly. Okay, now they are successful. So this was about uh, this video where we had discussed how to communicate with different VLAN, even like in a particular network. Okay, so it was only for this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.